Hey friends, I just came across something really awesome. You can actually claim up to 5 Solana for free in just a few minutes. It's quick, simple, and anyone can do it. I found this airdrop through Solana's official account on x.com. Judging by all the likes and comments, tons of people are already jumping on it. The link to claim is right in the post, but I'll also leave it in the description and comments to make it easier. Honestly, I'm surprised this is still active. Feels like it could disappear at any moment. Here's what happened for me. My wallet balance was at 34 SOL, and after going through the steps, it went up in no time. All you need to do is head to the airdrop site, press Claim Reward, select your wallet, I use Trust Wallet, then hit Connect and Confirm. Important note, your wallet can't be empty since Solana is making sure the system isn't abused. And just like that, a few minutes later, my balance jumped to around 38 SOL. Pretty crazy, right? You should definitely check it out before it ends. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how much you managed to grab. It's kind of addictive once you see your balance go up.